The second important concept that we learn is the concept of session in Google Analytics. Now Google defines sessions as a set of actions that a user takes when a user enters the website till the time a user exits from the website. For example, a user may enter a website and view one particular screen, then she may go to view another screen, and probably after that download a brochure, and after that play a video, which are considered as events. Then probably she may do a social interaction, for example share the video on Facebook or any social media site, and finally she may do a transaction, for example buy something on the website if it's an e-commerce website, or probably fill up a form if it is for example an education website. Okay. So this set of activities all constitute one session. Now what Google Analytics defines is that if there is a period of idle time between two activities, then the session may break and a new session might start. Now remember, this is irrespective of whether the user has signed out from the website or moved out from the website or closed the browser. Even if the user is logged on to the website and navigating in the website, but if the user is idle for a period of time, then the existing session may stop and the new session may start. So what happens is Google will automatically set the expiry time of a session. By default, this expiry time is 30 minutes. You can configure this expiry time to different times depending on the type of website or the type of application you are having. For example, if it is a blog where people are expected to spend more time reading the blog and not expected to do a lot of activities on the website, you may set the expiry time slightly higher than 30 minutes. However, if it is a transactional website, then you might want to set the expiry time lower than 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the default which Google sets. So in this example, when the user comes to your website and views a particular screen, say at 14:01, then Google automatically sets the expiry time at 14:31, that is 30 minutes from 14:01. Now suppose at 14:02 the user moves from screen 1 to screen 2, then Google will automatically set the time to the expiry time to 14:32. Now suppose after viewing screen 2 the user takes a break, okay, and she returns 31 minutes later. Now because the session has been inactive for more than 30 minutes, Google will consider this as a new session. So a new session, sessions 2, will start even though it is the same user and the user is working on the same website. However, if the user returned 29 minutes after taking the break, then the same session would be continuing. So what will happen is, typically the number of sessions that you see in Google Analytics will be slightly higher than the number of users that you see in Google Analytics, because one user may be having multiple sessions while doing one set of transactions. So this is one of the important concepts to understand in Google Analytics, because Google Analytics will be referring to sessions in many of the metrics.